A serious industrial safety incident occurred when a worker bypassed machine guards and reached deep inside a running compression machine, likely in a textile plant. The automated mechanism unexpectedly activated, resulting in the worker being quickly pulled into the machine's operational area. This event underscores the extreme danger of manual intervention while machinery is running. The critical takeaway is that personnel must never breach safety barriers or attempt to adjust moving parts. All work within hazard zones requires the strict use of lockout tagout, LOTO protocols to ensure the machine's power is completely isolated, preventing sudden, catastrophic activation. Always maintain a safe working distance. As the crane carefully maneuvered a section into its designated vertical stack, the load suddenly experienced a loss of control or stability. Without warning, one component of the rig section violently snapped or swung out, making forceful contact with the nearby worker. The impact caused the employee to abruptly lose balance and fall. This incident powerfully highlights the importance of maintaining strict control over suspended loads and recognizing the unpredictable dynamics of rigging. The core safety mandate is that personnel must always remain clear of the potential swing radius and the line of fire of any moving or unstable heavy component. Regular inspection of rigging gear and ensuring workers keep a safe distance are non-negotiable standards for preventing serious workplace events. The footage captures a critical safety incident during the manipulation and stacking of large drilling rig sections. While the crane was working to position a component, a worker was situated near a stationary steel structure. Suddenly, a moving element of the equipment activated or shifted, unexpectedly closing the gap and creating a severe pinch point. The worker was forcefully pressed against the fixed structural bar, unable to evade the movement in time. This event is a critical reminder of the absolute need to identify and avoid all pinch points and crush zones in heavy industry. Personnel must maintain strict clearance from the line of fire of moving loads and ensure they are never positioned between an active machine component and a fixed object, thereby preventing serious injury during dynamic operations. The video footage documents a severe failure during a lifting operation. An operator was using a crane or hoist to carefully lift a large, heavy metal frame off a truck bed. While the load was suspended in the air, the supporting wire cable or strap suddenly fractured or gave way. This immediate loss of support caused the heavy metal frame to abruptly swing, become destabilized, and drop, resulting in the load crashing down onto the worker and the truck bed. This incident is a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of rigorous pre-use inspection of all rigging and lifting gear, especially cables and hoists, for any signs of wear or fatigue. Furthermore, personnel must never be positioned between a suspended load and any fixed object, including the vehicle, to ensure safety during all lifting and unloading tasks. Footage shows a warehouse incident where a forklift operator lost control while trying to engage a pallet. A ground worker approached the active zone to manually guide the load. Without warning, the forklift accelerated sharply, causing the vehicle to lunge forward and impact the worker positioned near the load's path. This underscores the critical rule that personnel must never stand near moving forklifts or suspended loads. Operators must ensure complete control at all times, and ground workers must strictly maintain a safe separation distance from heavy equipment during all maneuvering and adjustment tasks. A female worker approached a designated operating zone for moving machinery, a location clearly meant for equipment transit. She then bent over in this vulnerable area. Unexpectedly, the machine cycle activated, causing the large moving component to jerk back violently into its fixed position. This rapid, uncontrolled motion resulted in the worker being forcefully struck and pinned between the machine block and a solid wall. This incident serves as a critical reminder that personnel must never enter, linger, or bend down in the immediate path of automated or moving equipment, even during perceived lulls in the work cycle. Strict adherence to maintaining a safe standoff distance from all moving parts and recognizing crush zones are essential for preventing such serious entrapment hazards. This footage captures a high-risk incident at a tire repair facility where a massive industrial tire unexpectedly suffers a forceful blowout during inflation. Due to the lack of protective safety cages, the resulting blast pressure throws a nearby worker a significant distance and fills the workshop with debris, leaving bystanders shaken. This event serves as a critical reminder to always use specialized steel cages when handling high-pressure tires, maintain a safe distance using long-reach hoses, and perform thorough equipment inspections for structural flaws. Ultimately, strict adherence to safety protocols and the use of proper personal protective equipment are essential to ensuring the well-being of every worker on the job. This footage captures a serious industrial accident where a worker is pinned under a massive steel coil after it slips from a crane's lifting mechanism. The incident highlights the extreme danger of standing too close to active overhead loads and the necessity of maintaining a safe perimeter. To prevent such accidents, it is vital to establish restricted safety zones, ensure all lifting attachments are securely locked, and use specialized equipment like C-hooks. Proper safety training is essential so that operators can recognize crush zones and always maintain a clear path of retreat. This footage captures a sudden, hazardous incident where an air conditioning unit falls from a high-rise building, striking a person waiting at a bus stop. The impact highlights the severe risks of poorly maintained elevated equipment. This event serves as a critical reminder for building owners to perform routine maintenance on exterior fixtures and for the public to remain vigilant near aging structures. To prevent such accidents, all heavy installations must follow strict professional standards, and in emergencies, bystanders should call for professional medical help immediately to avoid worsening any injuries. This footage captures a dangerous electrical incident involving two individuals attempting unauthorized repairs on overhead power lines near a home. Due to a lack of professional safety gear and improper procedures, a powerful electrical arc and explosion occurred, throwing the worker from his ladder. This event highlights the critical need for certified experts to handle high-voltage systems and the mandatory use of insulated protective equipment. To ensure public safety, power must always be verified as de-energized before work begins, and bystanders should maintain a safe distance from active repair zones. This footage captures a dangerous warehouse incident where a forklift backing up strikes a worker who has his back turned to the vehicle, leading to the individual being knocked down due to a lack of situational awareness and coordination. This event underscores the vital importance of maintaining a safe distance from operating machinery and using clearly defined pedestrian walkways to prevent such hazardous encounters. To ensure a secure environment, facilities must prioritize strict safety standards, such as requiring ground workers to maintain safe perimeters outside of blind spots and ensuring forklifts utilize backup alarms while workers wear high-visibility vests. This surveillance footage captures a high-impact incident at a corporate entrance where an out-of-control vehicle, traveling at excessive speed, strikes a security officer on duty. The suddenness of the event left the personnel with no time to react. This serves as a critical reminder for facilities to install protective infrastructure, such as heavy-duty bollards or reinforced barriers, to shield staff from traffic hazards. Maintaining high situational awareness and implementing speed-calming measures are vital steps to ensuring the safety of frontline workers in high-traffic commercial areas. This footage highlights a serious safety lapse where a worker, bypassing proper ladders or scaffolding, attempted to work at height by stacking unstable plastic buckets. The makeshift platform predictably shifted and collapsed, resulting in a fall to the ground. This incident serves as a vital reminder to always use certified equipment and never substitute professional tools with household items. Maintaining strict safety protocols and ensuring all personnel use approved access equipment are essential steps to preventing avoidable workplace accidents. The video footage captures a hazardous moment in a metal processing facility involving a team of workers near an active production line. While the crew was focused on their tasks, a red-hot metal bar suddenly deviated from its intended path or guide rail. This unexpected mechanical failure caused the high-velocity material to forcefully strike and push an unsuspecting worker out of position. The sudden, uncontrolled movement of the material triggered immediate panic among the staff, who scrambled to clear the area. This incident serves as a critical warning regarding the unpredictable nature of high-speed manufacturing equipment. It emphasizes the vital importance of maintaining high situational awareness and ensuring that all physical guards and guidance systems are properly secured to prevent materials from exiting their designated lanes. Always stay alert to the line of fire when working around automated machinery. The video captures a hazardous incident involving the transport of a heavy industrial metal coil via crane. As the operator was maneuvering the oversized load, the coil suddenly shifted or sprung violently because it was not properly secured or balanced. This unexpected release of tension caused the massive metal component to strike the worker with significant force, resulting in a severe impact. This incident serves as a critical reminder that all heavy loads must be rigorously inspected and double secured before any lift begins. Maintaining a safe distance from the load's potential swing path and ensuring the structural integrity of all rigging equipment are non-negotiable standards to prevent such dangerous workplace events.